Hi and welcome to this Excel tutorial. I'm Steve, and in this video we're going to learn how to highlight duplicates in Excel. This can be really valuable for a lot of reasons, but if you're here you probably already know why you want to get rid of your duplicates, so let me show you how. We'll jump into an example here, and this is just a really straightforward example. This is just a random list of numbers, and some of them are duplicates and some of them are not. And I'm going to show you how to quickly highlight them using conditional formatting. So the first thing we need to do is select all of these cells, and you can either just click and drag and grab them, or if you have a huge list, it's a lot better to use a keyboard shortcut, Control, Shift, and down arrow, and that will select all the cells to the bottom of your column. Okay. Then you're going to go up here to conditional formatting, and first, let me zoom out just a tiny bit so I can zoom in on the video. And we'll go up to conditional formatting, go to highlight cells rules, and then go down here to duplicate values. Click on that. It'll bring up your dialog box, and you can simply leave it on duplicate. If you wanted to do unique values, you can do that, and it will select only the unique values, but that's a whole different story. And then you can select how you want to color it. That's totally up to you, and then just click OK. And then I'll click off this so you can see, and that has selected all of our duplicate values and left only the unique values unselected. And that's how you do it. But let me show you one more thing that might help if you're trying to go through and delete your duplicates. Then here's one thing that you could do to kind of quickly help to sort these. And what I would do is select on this, do Control Shift down arrow again to select them, and then I would sort it. So I'm just going to sort smallest to largest, and then when I click off of that, now you can see where your duplicates are. So if I needed to delete these two, if I didn't delete these two, they're easier to find. Okay. So that is how you highlight duplicates in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I hope you'll join me in one of my full Excel courses. I love teaching, and I would be happy to see you in there and teach you a lot more about Excel. And you can find links to those courses in the description. Thanks for watching.